Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. Just a little busy this morning. And you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day.
Yes, the weather is very nice today.
I really like mornings like this.
Me too. It feels fresh and calm.
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. Perfect weather.
The air feels good.
Yes, I like that.
This area is very beautiful.
Yes, we are in the city center.
Oh, really?
Yes, this is the main part of the city.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that's why there are so many people here.
I see that.
People come here for work and for shopping.
And maybe for food too.
Yes, of course.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work in this building.
Oh, that's nice.
What about you?
I also work nearby.
Really?
Yes, just a few minutes from here.
That's very convenient.
Yes, I don't need to travel far.
That's good.
I like working in the downtown area.
Me too. Downtown is always active.
Yes, there are offices, shops, and restaurants everywhere.
And many people walking all the time.
Yes, always busy.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
Same for me.
What do you do for work?
I work in an office.
Oh, nice.
I help with emails and meetings.
That sounds interesting.
It is, but sometimes it is very busy.
I understand.
Some days are very long.
Yeah, I have days like that too.
What about you? What do you do?
I work with computers.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes, I like it.
Do you work in an office too?
Yes, a small office.
That sounds nice.
It's quiet. I like that.
Quiet is good sometimes.
Yeah, especially when I need to focus.
I understand.
I like this place a lot.
Me too.
The buildings are modern.
Yes, and everything looks clean.
That's true.
Look at that building over there.
Wow, it's very tall.
Yes, many companies work there.
It looks important.
It is. Many people go there every day.
The city center is full of big buildings.
Yes, it feels like the heart of the city.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you.
Do you eat lunch around here?
Yes, almost every day.
Me too.
There are many restaurants downtown.
Yes, so many choices.
Different kinds of food, too.
Yeah, fast food, cafes, and small restaurants.
Do you have a favorite place?
Yes, a small cafe near my office.
That sounds nice.
It's quiet and relaxing.
That's good. Sometimes downtown is too busy.
Yes, but I like the energy.
Me too. It makes me feel active.
Yeah, it gives me motivation.
Same here.
Do you go out for lunch every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I bring food.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yes, it saves money.
That's true.
But sometimes I like to eat outside.
Me too.
It's a nice break from work.
Yes, I can relax a little.
Oh, I need to go.
Me too. I have work soon.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, very nice.
We should talk again.
Yes, that would be great.
Have a good day.
You too.
See you later.
See you.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I have a problem with my flight.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I think there is something wrong with my airport check-in.
Okay, no problem. Let's check it together. Can I see your passport and your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. One moment, please. I see the issue.
What is it?
Your seat is not confirmed yet.
Oh no. What does that mean?
It means your seat is not ready in the system.
That's not good. I really need this flight.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you. I'm a little stressed.
I understand. That can happen sometimes.
Yes, I don't want to miss my flight.
You will not miss it. Let me check again.
Okay.
Let me look at your booking. Can I ask you something?
Yes?
Do you usually fly business class?
No, not usually. But today I booked business class.
I see.
I wanted a comfortable flight.
That's a good choice.
Yes, it's a long trip.
Where are you going?
I'm flying to Los Angeles.
Oh, nice. Los Angeles is a great city.
Yes, I'm traveling for work.
A business trip?
Yes,
Okay, let me try to fix your seat.
thank you.
I have one option.
What is it?
I can give you another seat in business class.
Oh, really?
Yes, but it is a different seat.
That's okay. I don't mind.
Or I can try to upgrade seat from another class.
No, it's fine. I want business class.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you.
All right, done.
Done.
Yes, your seat is now confirmed.
Oh, that's great.
Everything is okay now.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Here is your new boarding pass.
Thank you.
Please check your seat number.
Yes, I see it.
Good.
Do I have priority boarding?
Yes, with business class, you have priority boarding.
That's very good.
You can board early and relax.
Perfect.
Boarding starts in about 25 minutes.
Okay, I have some time.
Yes, you can sit or get something to eat.
I have another question.
Yes, go ahead.
I bought travel insurance. Do I need to show it now?
No, you don't need it right now.
Okay,
But keep it with you during your trip.
I will.
It is useful if there is a problem.
Yes, I feel safer with travel insurance.
That's very good.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course, that's my job.
I was very worried before.
I understand.
I thought I might lose my flight.
That can be stressful.
Yes, very stressful.
But now everything is okay.
Yes, now I feel much better.
I'm happy to hear that.
You are very kind.
Thank you. I'm glad I could help.
One more thing.
Yes?
Where's my gate?
Your gate is A24.
A24. Okay.
Go straight, then turn right.
Straight, then right.
Yes, follow the signs for Gate A.
Okay, that's easy.
It's not far from here.
Good.
You can walk there in about 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Do you need anything else?
No, I think everything is okay now.
Great.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is a nice afternoon.
Yes, it feels very calm.
I like sitting here with you.
Me too. It's very comfortable.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very good.
I'm glad you like it.
Did you make it?
Yes, it's easy.
You make good coffee.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at something on my phone.
What is it?
Just some messages and news.
Oh, okay.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Not too much. Only sometimes.
That's good.
I like to relax without my phone.
Me too. It feels better.
The house is very quiet.
Yes, I like quiet places.
Me too. It helps me relax.
This is a perfect place to rest.
Yes, very peaceful.
How was your day?
It was okay. A little busy.
What did you do?
I worked in the morning.
Okay.
Then I went to the store.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, some food and a few small things.
That's nice.
What about you?
I stayed home and worked on my computer.
Was it easy?
Not really. A little difficult.
Oh, I understand.
But it's okay now.
That's good.
I feel relaxed now.
Me too.
Do you want to watch something later?
Maybe a movie or a show.
That sounds good.
Yes, something simple.
Not too long.
Yes, I don't want something long.
Okay.
I just want to relax.
Same here.
Do you like evenings like this?
Yes, I love them.
Me too. Calm and quiet.
No stress, no noise.
Just peace.
Exactly.
I'm happy.
Me too. Very happy.
It's nice to spend time together.
Yes, very nice.
Thank you for this time.
Thank you too.
Let's stay here a little longer.
Yes, let's stay.